If YouTube TV isn't working on an older TV, it's usually because the TV does not support the app, the software is outdated, or the device simply isn't compatible. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check whether your TV supports YouTube TV. Older smart TVs often do not have the YouTube TV app available in their app store. If the app is missing, the TV may be too old to run it. Step 2. Update your TV's firmware. Open your TV settings, go to the System or Software Update section, and install any available updates. A newer firmware version may add support or improve compatibility. Step 3. Use an external streaming device. If your TV is too old to run the app, connect a streaming device such as Roku, Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Apple TV through the HDMI port. These devices fully support YouTube TV and work even with older televisions. Step 4. Install YouTube TV on the streaming device. Open the App Store on the streaming device, download YouTube TV, and sign in with your Google account. This gives you full access to live TV and DVR features. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Older TVs and some streaming sticks may have weaker Wi-Fi performance. Use a strong Wi-Fi signal or Ethernet, if available, to keep YouTube TV running smoothly. Step 6. Restart both your TV and the streaming device. Turn off the devices, wait 10 seconds, then turn them back on. This refreshes memory and clears temporary issues. Step 7. If problems continue, try casting. You can cast YouTube TV from your phone or computer to the TV using a Chromecast device or an HDMI connection. This is a simple workaround for TVs that cannot install the app. Following these steps lets you watch YouTube TV on older televisions without compatibility issues. Outro. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.